Now I can do some work. Nice.
We've added a whole lot of things to Good Deals by KLGG, such as bags, smart locks, audio gear, and more. Shop now and check out with Atomi, and IOU pay 0% installment from 50 ringgit and get 10 ringgit off your first purchase with minimum 100 ringgit spent. Visit Good Deals by KLGG in the link below.
Keychron is a well-known brand among the keyboard community, known for offering premium quality keyboards at affordable prices. This is the Keychron K8, a wireless non-backlit keyboard with a TKL layout that is compatible with both Windows and Mac, and it costs just 289 ringgit. True to the brand's reputation, it's premium, solid, and provided me with an enjoyable typing experience. If you need more convincing as to why you should get the Keychron K8 Non-Backlit wireless keyboard, I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why you should buy this. Number 1. Build quality. The very first reason has got to be its build quality. The keyboard sports a frame made out of aluminium and it is solid. Thanks to that, the keyboard has practically no flex and even adds a nice weight to it. Plus, it stays nice and cool, especially when you're in an air-conditioned room. As I previously mentioned, the aluminum chassis does add a bit of weight to the keyboard and measures at 895 grams, so it may not be the most portable. However, realistically speaking, with a TKL layout like this, it probably won't ever leave your station once it's installed. Number 2. Typing experience. Next is the satisfying typing experience. If you didn't know, I'm a clicky switch lover and I have a keyboard with Carl box whites installed back at home, but Keychron's mechanical brown switches provided me with another level of satisfaction. Only when I was typing though. On the gaming side, I wasn't really a fan of the tactility, but that's just personal preference. If you don't like brown switches, you can get the keyboard with blues and reds as well. Now, on to the sound test. Sadly, we didn't have a desk mat during the time of filming, hence the not so subtle ping noises. But I usually wear earphones and it's barely audible. If it still takes you though, a little modding would do the trick. Number 3. Nice aesthetics. Now, aesthetics are everything, and for their non-backlit keyboards, Keychron has strayed away from offering them in the usual greyish color, which I think is a wise choice so that the keyboard doesn't look too dull. It gives out a vintage feel with the beige colors and even reminds me of those old office membrane keyboards I still have at home, with a more modern look of course. Number 4. Wireless connectivity. This keyboard offers plentiful connection features and supports Bluetooth 5.1, so it's able to pair with 3 devices simultaneously. You just need to press the FN key and either the 1, 2, or 3 keys to switch between them and you're good to go. Just like other wireless keyboard, this one goes to sleep after 10 minutes, but if you don't want that, you can easily disable it by pressing the FN, S, and O keys at the same time. Another impressive feat is that there were no latency issues at all during my time of use, and the connection stays strong despite me going to the other side of the room. If you don't want to use the Bluetooth mode or it's running low on battery, you can also use the Type-C cable that comes in the box. Number 5. Battery life. Moving on from the last point, this brings me to my final reason, which is its impressive battery life. Under the hood is a 4000 mAh battery that lasted me the whole duration of my review until the time of filming, which was about 2 weeks. Of course, this is contributed by the fact that it is non-backlit, so the battery life is extended compared to the RGB lit ones. However, a setback from it being non-backlit is I don't know how much battery life is left, and I don't think Keychron has a firmware for this, but do correct me if I missed it. So with all that said, the Keychron K8 Non-Backlit version is quite a value buy at just 289 ringgit. It has a premium quality build, plenty of connectivity features, and can last you for weeks. I genuinely enjoyed typing on it, especially with the Keychron brown switches. Of course, it's got little issues here and there with the pinging noises and not being able to check the battery life, but I think the pros outweigh its cons. Now, if I've got you convinced, you can purchase this keyboard at our official e-store, Good Deals by KLGG, and the link will be in the description box below. As usual, we'd love to hear your thoughts down at the comment section. Do subscribe to our channel and follow our socials, and I'll see you in the next one.